When life throws something unexpected your way, some people get creative with it. And that's exactly what this German company has been doing with cargo trailers. Instead of leaving them as simple haulers, they've been transforming them into clever, compact campers that can surprise you in all the right ways. The company is called Farfalla, and for nearly a decade, they've been rethinking what a camper can be. Founded by Dr. Friedrich Meyer, their whole idea is about turning something small and simple into something that blooms at the campsite, kind of like a butterfly opening its wings. That's actually where the name comes from. They first introduced their main model back in 2018, called the Flip, and it quickly caught attention. Over time, they expanded the lineup with different versions, some more affordable and others more feature-packed. But the goal has always stayed the same: get the most comfort and flexibility out of the smallest possible space. Now they've taken things a step further with the new Flip Up, a 2026 model that's already been turning heads at European shows. At its core, it's still a cargo trailer, but it's been upgraded in some smart ways. Inside, it's lined with felt for better insulation and sound, and the front storage box actually improves aerodynamics, making it more suitable for towing, even with electric vehicles. Add in an optional solar panel, and it starts to look like a pretty interesting option for eco-friendly travel. Size-wise, it's compact and lightweight, making it easy to tow. But the real magic happens when you set it up. The standout feature is its built-in pop-up roof. This isn't just a tent slapped on top, it's fully integrated into the structure. When you raise it, you get standing room inside and space for a second double bed. Yes, this small trailer can sleep 4 people. There's a main bed in the lower area and another double bed above it. It's a clever use of vertical space, even if it means you lose some headroom when the upper bed is in place. The rest of the layout stays true to the original Flip design. You get a bench seating area with a table, and one side opens outward like an awning. Outside, there's a tent extension where you can set up a modular kitchen using stackable storage boxes. In fact, storage is a big part of the design. You can place these boxes under the bench, at the front, or anywhere they fit. The kitchen setup is simple but functional, with a portable single-burner stove and modular storage. There's no built-in bathroom, but you do get a portable toilet that doubles as a step, plus a small sink with a water container. It's minimal, but it covers the basics for camping. You can also add extras like a cooler fridge powered by a battery pack, and a solar panel to keep things charged on the go. The seating area can convert into a bed using the storage boxes, while the upper bed slides out and locks into place with a sturdy slatted base. As for pricing, it starts at around 26,300 euros, which includes the pop-up roof and second bed. But once you start adding all the extras, storage boxes, screens, toilet, fridge, solar, you're looking at closer to 39,000 euros. Still, for something this compact, flexible, and surprisingly capable, it's a pretty unique option. It's not your typical camper, and that's exactly the point.